Hey, let me show you what you can do if your Samsung Watch 9 doesn't actually receive notifications. So first of all, start by opening a Galaxy Wearable application on your phone, click on the notifications, and now click on the phone notification on the watch. Now you can decide if you want to receive them or not. You can select always show on both, or for example, smart device selection. So the first option actually means that if you are using your phone and you are going to receive notification, it will only comes into your phone. Later, if you want to, for example, check this on your watch, it will be not possible because it will be not available here. So if you want to receive them though, you have to select always show on both. Now go to the app notifications and just simply manage your watch and phone applications. Let's say that I'm not receiving notifications from my phone, so I can enable them, and now I will just simply receive them. But if I'm not receiving notifications, let's say from a Strava, I can also turn it on my watch. So this is the first and probably the most important step. Next, what I can highly recommend you to do not synchronize the do not disturb mode with the phone, because when you enable the do not disturb mode on your smartphone, like for example by using the quick settings, it means that you will don't receive notifications on your watch. And now, just to be sure that you are gonna receive all of those notifications, go for the advanced settings. First of all, enable new notification indicator on the watch face, so you'll get a small red dot on the left side of your watch face. And additionally, you can even enable this one, turn on screen of watch when notifications received. And now let's say that you are still not receiving notifications from your phone into your watch. So we have to just go into your smartphone settings. Right now, go to the notifications and just simply make sure that you enable notifications on your phone. So if I'm not receiving, for example, from a Gmail, I have to turn it on. And if the problem still appears, just go into the quick settings and make sure that you are not using sleep or theater mode, because often those modes block the notifications. As you can see right now, I just simply receive the new notification from the goal.pl website. Also make sure that you are not using the do not disturb mode on your watch. And the last thing that you have to check, it will be actually available in the battery. Take a look, if you are using the power saving mode, well, it often turn off and actually limit background network usage, location and synchronization, and this is something that is necessary. And additionally, you can check if application that you are not receiving notifications, maybe it's not put into the sleeping apps for some reason. So as you can see, I've got this problem with Strava. So to do this, you will have to open the applications screen. Right now, go for app list and search for this application that you are looking for. In my case, that will be Strava. So I'm clicking here, I'm going for permissions. And right now I have to go below and I have to remove this option, pause app activity if unused.